Hello students, good morning. Today we will see the FM generation by using indirect method, that is by using Armstrong method. Figure which is shows the block diagram of FM generation by using Armstrong method. It is consist of crystal oscillator, buffer, 90-degree phase shifter, audio equalizer, balanced modulator, combining network, first group of multiplier, mixer, carrier oscillator, second group of multiplier, class C, power amplifier and transmitting antenna. So we will see the one by one function of each block. So first we see the function of crystal oscillator. This crystal oscillator generates high frequency carrier signal up to 1 megahertz. Then it is applied to the buffer. So what is the function of crystal oscillator? It generates high frequency carrier signal up to 1 megahertz. Then this signal which is applied to the buffer. So next one, it is the function of buffer. Buffer which is amplifies and stores the signal. Buffer which is amplifies and stores, then it is applied to the combining network and 90-degree phase shifter. The output of buffer which is applied to the combining network as well as 90-degree phase shifter. Okay, next one, it is the 90-degree phase shifter. It provides 90-degree phase shifter to the amplified carrier signal, then it is applied to the balanced modulator. Okay, next one, it is the audio equalizer. AF input which is applied to the audio equalizer, that is modulating signal which is amplifies, and amplified signal which is given to the balance modulator. Next one is the function of balanced modulator. It has two inputs, 90-degree phase shifted carrier and amplified modulating signal. By using these two signals, two sideband signals are generated, and generated sideband signal which is given to the combining network. Next one is the combining network. This combining network has two inputs. First one, it is the amplified carrier signal, and second it is the sideband signal. These both signals are combined or mixed, and it produces the wave with low carrier frequency Fc and with low modulation index M, and this wave is given to the first group of multiplier. The combining network which is generates the FM signal with low carrier frequency Fc and low modulation index M. This wave is given to the first group of multiplier. So first group of multiplier is used to increase the modulation index. As we increase del, modulation index which is also increases. Hence the output of first group of multiplier we get low Fc and medium M. Then it is applied to the mixer. Means function of multiplier is it is increases the modulation index. So it converted from low MF to medium MF. Okay. Next one, there is a printing mistake. Low FC and medium MF. Okay. Next one, it is given to the mixer. So mixer, it is used to increase or decrease the carrier frequency, and del remains constant. So what is the function of mixer? Function of mixer, it is the increases the Fc. It is increases the carrier frequency. So at the output of mixer we are getting the medium MF and medium MF and high FC. We are getting the medium MF and high FC. This signal which is given to the second group of multiplier. It is used to increase del. So modulation index which is also increases. Hence at the output we are getting the FM wave with high FC and high MF. Okay. Then the output which is given to the class C power amplifier. So what is the function of this class C power amplifier? Function of this class C power amplifier is it is increases or it is used to increase strength of the power of power amplifier. That is, it is increases strength and power of the signal, and this given to the antenna for the transmission purpose. So this is the explanation for the Armstrong method. I will repeat once again. First one, for the generation of the FM we are requiring the two signal. First one it is the carrier signal and next one it is the modulating signal. So modulating signal which is given to the audio equalizer. Audio equalizer amplifies the signal. Amplified signal which is given to the balance modulator. Okay. Next one, carrier signal which is generated by this carrier oscillator, and generated carrier signal which is given to the buffer. The buffer which is used for the amplification and storage purpose. Okay. And this signal which is given to the two blocks. First one it is the combining network and second one it is the 90-degree phase shifter. The 90-degree phase shifter which is shift the signal by 90 degree, and phase shifted signal which is given to the balance modulator. This balance modulator has two inputs. First one it is the phase shifted signal and second one it is the modulating signal. By using these two signal, balance modulator generates the sideband signal. These sideband signals are given to the combining network. This combining network which is combines sideband and carrier signal and generates the FM signal. Okay, this FM wave has low FC and MF. Then this signal which is given to the first group of multiplier. So function of multiplier, it increases the modulation index, that is MF which is increases. Okay, so to increase the MF we are increasing the deviation. We are increasing the deviation because both are in a directly proportional. So at the output we are getting the low FC and medium MF, means what? Modulation index which is increases. Then it is given to the mixer. Mixer has input from crystal oscillator. Crystal oscillator which generates high frequency carrier signal, and it is given to the mixer. So mixer which is improves the FC. Okay. So at the output we are getting the medium MF and high FC. Again it is given to the second group of multiplier. This multiplier again increases the modulation index. Okay. So this modulation index can be increased by increasing deviation. So at the output we are getting the high FC and high MF signal. Then it is given to the class C power amplifier. This class C power amplifier increases strength, that is power level of the signal. Okay, this high FC and high MF signal which is transmitted by using this transmitting antenna. Okay, this FM signal which is transmitted by using the transmitting antenna. So this is the explanation for the Armstrong method. Next one MSBT question which is given. Some blocks are missing, and from missing block they are given the name A, B, C, D, and you have to write the name of A, B, C, D. So A, it is the combining network. B, it is the balanced modulator. C, it is the mixer, and D, it is the power amplifier. Okay, this type of MSBT question which is asked. In this some blocks are missing and you have to give the name for this block. So A, it is the combining network, B, it is the balance modulator, C, it is the mixer, and D, it is the power amplifier. So thank you. In next lecture we will see the next part.